Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're going to do another student loan update progress, and we're just going to see how we are actually faring right now with Sallie Mae amidst this coronavirus pandemic. And I want to give you an update on how I'm actually doing with the new strategy that I've implemented. But of course, if you're actually new to the channel, my name is Dred and I post personal finance and dividend investing videos. And right now I am currently documenting my journey in paying off my student loans. So if you're interested in seeing how everything goes or just want to show your support, then definitely subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also turn on that notification bell so you can get updates whenever I post new videos. And with that out of the way, let's get back to the video. Okay, here we are back on the dashboard right here on Sallie Mae. As you can see, I have an amount due of $98.92, which is basically my other student loans that I don't focus on just yet. But as you can see right here, let's look at the three loans that I have. 6207 is obviously paid already. 4245, which is what we're actually tackling on, is it's like $1,000 left. Okay, I'm really proud of this. I'm really happy that this is how I'm actually progressing with this particular loan. Now on the last one, 6489, this is the biggest one I have in Sallie Mae. I still have around $6,000 in here. Obviously not bad, it is a very big amount, but we are going to tackle that in the near future. But anyway, if you go back to 4245 loan details right here, we just paid last Sunday another $100. And if you're actually curious and you haven't noticed anything different here, it's that I'm only paying $100 because I'm already paying every week. Okay, so instead of just doing the monthly payment strategy, I'm actually doing a weekly payment strategy, and I've actually explained that one in my previous video because that was the new strategy that I've decided to implement. Now, if we actually go back here, let's look at the activities, and you will actually see here all the payments that I've done previously throughout June. Okay, so as you can see, just recently July 5 I did a $100 payment, and then on the 6th June 28th another $100, and then 21 $100, 14th and 50. Now there's a very big difference, as you can see here, $50 only on the 14th, and it's because back here, if we actually go back 6/11, there was already an auto debit payment that happened. Okay, this was automatic. Unfortunately, with Sallie Mae, I actually can't do like a weekly frequency of payments. I even asked them on here on this message right here, but there's no more. And I don't know if it actually will show up, but I did ask them regarding if I can actually make weekly payments, and all they ever said to me was that yes, you can, but you can just do manual payments. I was like, okay, then there's pretty much nothing for me to do with that. So as you can see here, we've been focusing on doing the weekly payment strategy ever since, and I've been trying to pay it as consistent as I can. There are some days though that I didn't actually go over, kind of it wasn't the exact day that I wanted to pay, but I just didn't have any alarms for that one. But now that I have, I've been consistently paying it off every Sunday Pacific Standard Time, and also here in the Philippines. So I'm paying it off morning on a Sunday there in California, and then after that at evening here in the Philippines. But yeah, that so far, if we actually go back to the loan details for 4245, it's a pretty good progress in my opinion, because it does make the amount go lower a lot faster, and it's more of a visual thing and a psychological thing. Back then it was around 1,400, 1,300, and that was still a very big amount. And one of my biggest goals was really to get it down to less than 1,000, and now that it is less than 1,000, and I was seeing the progress every week, it was very great to look at. But yeah, so far that's how the progress is with 4245, and in the next coming months I'm still going to be doing a weekly strategy. As long as I have funds in my accounts, then definitely I'm going to keep doing that one. One of the biggest obstacles when it comes to doing a weekly payment strategy is that frequency is actually very fast, and then after that you're going to ask yourself whether you have enough money in your bank account. Now, does this actually work for everybody? Of course not, it doesn't. Now, in my opinion, there are two types of people who would actually benefit from doing a weekly repayment strategy. Now, the first one is that those people who have enough money in their bank accounts. Obviously, if you have money sitting around, then why not just pay it off as fast as you can, right? Now the second one is that people who want to pay off their debts a lot faster. Now this will actually give you a lot of like incentives, positive incentives. First of all, you're paying off your debt a lot faster, and then second, you are actually saving on interest as well. So if you are none of those two people, then definitely don't try the weekly repayment strategy. But if you are really insistent on actually doing so, then do so at your own risk. I'm merely suggesting and recommending what types of people would actually benefit or would actually want to do a weekly repayment strategy. But if you are not in a situation where you can afford to actually pay weekly, then don't do that. Make sure that you are still in a place where you are able to financially support yourself. Don't try, like my mom always said, don't try to pay your debt faster if you don't have enough money in your bank account. Try to be just smart about your money. But anyway, that's pretty much it for my monthly update on my student loans. And I heard there's actually going to be another round of stimulus checks. I might actually do another video on that one just to kind of like see where the news are actually going, what's the update on that, and also what am I gonna do when it actually comes. Obviously, well, if you've been watching any of my videos, then those stimulus checks will probably go on my student loans as well. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys learned something new here, and if you are trying the weekly repayment strategy, then just do it at your own risk. Definitely comment and ask me some questions like how my experience has been with a weekly repayment strategy, and also recommend me some other stuff as well. I would really love to get your feedback and also learn from you. If you have any other tips for me, I highly appreciate that one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share this video to a friend of yours who might need it. And also, I am on Instagram at Daily Dread. I actually post my videos there as well, but on kind of like a previous type of stuff. And if you want to chat there, then I am pretty much available, and I try to be available there as much as I can. And anyway, that's it for the video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.